Everything shared here is backed by science, not opinions. There's already more than enough data in modern medicine. Ancient Chinese medicine, over 5,000 years ago, already taught that disease begins and ends in the gut. And now, Western research, from Harvard Health, the Mayo Clinic, and thousands of studies on PubMed, confirms exactly that. There's no need to invent anything new. The evidence is everywhere. Just type coconut oil into Amazon or PubMed, and you'll find thousands of books and over 2 million scientific citations exploring its potential benefits. When people say that's not scientific, it usually means they haven't looked deep enough. The truth is there for anyone willing to study, research, and read before forming an opinion. Everyone has a right to speak, as long as what they say is grounded in evidence. Let's talk about something powerful: blueberries. According to research published by the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, blueberries are among the richest sources of polyphenols, natural compounds that fight inflammation, improve circulation, and protect cells from damage. There are substances in blueberries that you won't find anywhere else in nature. In cancer research, many experts agree that 3 key factors influence disease development: malnutrition, toxicity, and emotional stress. We live surrounded by pollutants, contaminated food, soil. When you combine these 3, poor nutrition, environmental toxins, and unresolved emotional pain, your body's balance collapses. Water and air. Our systems are overwhelmed. And while genetics play a small role, epigenetics, the way your habits and environment influence your genes, plays a much bigger one. As studies from Harvard Medical School show, genetics loads the gun, but lifestyle pulls the trigger. Most families don't pass down diseases, they pass down habits. What time they eat, what they eat, how much they sleep, how they deal with stress. That's why what seems genetic is often familiar, not inherited. It's about lifestyle, not destiny. Autoimmune diseases are another example. Traditional medicine often divides the body into isolated parts. One doctor for the heart, another for the skin, another for the gut. But the human body doesn't work that way. Research in Frontiers in Immunology shows that most autoimmune conditions begin with a damaged gut lining, a condition called leaky gut syndrome, or intestinal hyperpermeability. When undigested proteins leak into the bloodstream, your immune system mistakes them for invaders, creating antibodies that may eventually attack your own tissues. If it targets the thyroid, you develop Hashimoto's thyroiditis. If it targets the skin, you may get psoriasis. The ancient Chinese were right. Disease begins and ends in the intestine, yet most treatments only address symptoms, not the cause. Real healing starts when we remove, restore, re-inoculate, and repair. The 4 R's of gut recovery, recognized by integrative medicine programs worldwide. First, remove the irritants, foods that your body can't tolerate. That often means avoiding gluten, processed dairy, and red meat for a while. Modern wheat, for example, contains almost 400% more gluten than it did 40 years ago. No wonder our bodies are struggling. European wheat still tends to be better, but industrial processing has taken its toll everywhere. Then comes restoration, rebuilding what's missing. Low stomach acid and poor enzyme production can sabotage digestion. Supplementing with digestive enzymes or betaine HCl can make a huge difference under medical guidance. And don't be fooled. Going to the bathroom twice a day doesn't always mean your gut is healthy. True intestinal health means complete digestion and clean elimination, a concept simple but often ignored. Even your pets are proof of that. When dogs eat the right food, they don't need cleaning afterward. Their digestion is efficient. Our bodies should work the same way. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, there are over 120 classified autoimmune diseases, most with a similar root cause: inflammation and imbalance starting in the gut. Dental infections and hidden inflammation can also trigger immune reactions that affect organs like the thyroid. The body is one integrated system. Nothing happens in isolation. That's why suppressing the immune system with heavy medications can bring temporary relief, but often at a high cost. Studies show that people who undergo organ transplants and must take immunosuppressants have up to 40 times higher risk of lung cancer because their defenses are turned off. The body needs balance, not suppression. When your body starts to fail, it always sends signals first: heaviness after meals, irregular digestion, unexplained fatigue. Most of the time, the problem starts from within, not from the outside, and the gut is simply asking for help. Think of your intestine as a living garden. If you feed it with sugar, soda, white flour, and processed foods, you're not nourishing it, you're poisoning it. But if you feed it real, natural food, it thrives. So where do you start? With probiotics, the living microorganisms that support digestion and immunity. NIH research shows that probiotic-rich foods like kefir, plain yogurt, sauerkraut, and kombucha restore the microbiome and strengthen your immune system. Kefir, for instance, contains over 30 strains of beneficial bacteria, improving vitamin absorption and digestion naturally. Sauerkraut, fermented cabbage, is another powerful tool our grandparents used without even knowing the science behind it. Just 1 tablespoon with meals can dramatically improve digestion and nutrient absorption. And then there's the blue gold, blueberries. Their anthocyanins not only fight inflammation, but also protect your gut flora and brain. They're nature's natural detox allies. Combine them with kefir or chia seeds, and you have a gut-healing blend that feels like an internal cleanse. Hydration is equally critical. According to Mayo Clinic, water is the body's main detoxifier. Without it, nothing moves. Literally. Drink at least 6 glasses daily, and for an extra boost, add a few drops of lemon juice in the morning. Lemon helps alkalize the body and kickstart your liver. For a deeper cleanse, mix half a cup of warm water, the juice of half a lemon, and a teaspoon of turmeric, a combination backed by studies from Johns Hopkins Medicine for its liver-supporting and anti-inflammatory effects. Fiber is another hero. Foods like oats, flaxseed, chia, and fresh fruits and vegetables feed the good bacteria in your gut. When you skip fiber, you're starving your microbiome, and when the good bacteria die off, harmful ones take over. Also, be careful with medications. Overusing antibiotics destroys both bad and good bacteria. Whenever possible, replenish your gut flora afterward with probiotic foods. The gut-brain connection is now one of the most studied fields in science. The National Institutes of Health confirm that the gut produces up to 90% of the body's serotonin, the happiness hormone. That's why a healthy gut often means a calm, focused, and happy mind. Anxiety, fatigue, and irritability often start in the microbiome, not the mind. Here's the beautiful truth. Your body always wants to heal. It just needs the right conditions: real food, water, patience, and consistency. Eating well is not luxury. It's self-respect. Fill your plate with living foods: greens, vegetables, fruits, and fermented products. Avoid what comes in packages. Your gut recognizes life, not chemicals. Start small: a glass of kefir in the morning, a spoon of sauerkraut at lunch, a handful of blueberries in the afternoon. Swap soda for lemon water, and before bed, thank your body for the quiet work it does every single day. Because true healing begins within, in the silence of your gut. When your intestine is at peace, your whole body follows. If this message resonates with you, subscribe to Wise Aging, where we share truthful, science-backed health wisdom that honors both your body and nature. If you've made it this far, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Rate this video from 1 to 10 in the comments, and let us know what you think of the content. Your feedback is essential for us to keep bringing you useful and relevant information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.